I'm Bob Moody from Friedman Law Offices in Lincoln, Nebraska. We hear a lot of questions about settlements in workers' compensation cases. If you were thinking about a settlement in your case, here are some things that you should know. Workers' compensation benefits are designed to be paid out in weekly installments. You do not need to agree to a final settlement in order to receive your benefits. Many people are paid everything they're supposed to receive without having to agree to a settlement which closes out their case. However, some people would rather not have to wait for their benefits to be paid out in weekly checks. Likewise, if your case is being disputed, you might not want to take the risk of winning or losing in a hearing in front of the Workers' Compensation Court. Therefore, it's sometimes possible to negotiate a lump sum settlement. Settlements like this are purely voluntary and must be agreed to by both sides. The employer or insurance company cannot force you to take a final settlement, and neither can you force them to pay a settlement. Sometimes a final settlement is a good idea, and sometimes it isn't. The advantage of a lump sum settlement is you do not have to wait for your benefits to be paid out in weekly installments. However, the disadvantage is that you will close out your case, and it will be very hard, if not impossible, to ever collect additional benefits, even if your condition becomes worse. If you collect your benefits in weekly installments, your case will stay open for as long as you receive those payments, and probably even for a couple of years after the last weekly payment. This means if your condition gets worse, or if you need more medical treatment in the future, you may be able to get additional coverage under your claim. An experienced workers' compensation lawyer can help you evaluate these options as well as negotiate the best possible settlement. If you have any questions, call Friedman Law Offices at 800-876-1093. There's never a charge to find out if we can help you. Feel free to leave a comment here on our blog, and use the share button if you know someone else who might benefit from this information. Thanks for logging in.